Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction from 28th of September 2020 to 4th October 2020. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, and it's all based on Indian Vedic astrology. And now I'm going to talk about Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants for you this whole week bring lot of good results from you because Jupiter is alone in your ninth house. Saturn is direct from 29 September, which will act like a game changer for you. Your all business hurdles will be solved and you will sky high. You will earn a lot of money during this week, and your all pending work will be click. And if you have any type of dispute related to your or any type of hurdles related to a business, your business will be flourish and you will overcome all your hurdles. This is a time when you grow a lot, when unexpected money will knock you, your finances will be excellent and you will enjoy all comforts because Saturn is direct in your 10th house, which will brings lot of good work for you. Those native who are unemployed and fighting a job in Aries ascendants, they may get a job, and good fortune started smile for you, and your all pending work will click. Family will support you, friends will support you. You will spend some quality time with your family and friend because this time will brings a lot of happiness and positive energy to you. Because ninth house, where is Jupiter lordship and Jupiter plays in ninth house. 10th house, where is Saturn lordship and Saturn in direct motion in your 10th house, which will brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, confidence, courage, and lot of new work will knock you. You will be on another height of success. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Materialistic gains I seen after 29th of September. You will enjoy a lot, and this whole week brings a lot of positivity, a lot of happiness to you. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. For Taurus ascendants, one of the biggest change for you from 29th of September, Saturn is direct in your 9th house. Because Saturn is a ruling planet for Taurus ascendants, being a lord of ninth house, transit in ninth house in alone position. This is a one of the wonderful position of the Saturn in your ninth house, because Saturn, if transit in ninth house, you will be on another height of success. This time you will enjoy a lot of comforts, good fortune started smile for you. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy all type of gains, and if there's a strong chances you may get promoted in your job, and if you are unemployed you may get job because Saturn gives you lot of good fortune. When Saturn goes to direct motion, you will get positive response in your workplace. You will enjoy your all type of work or job. If you are willing to switch off your job, this is the ultimate time. If you try to find a new job, you will get a job very easily because this is a time when good fortune smiling for you. And Jupiter is also direct motion in your 8th house. This is alone transit of the Jupiter now. Jupiter will create some type of positive yoga for Taurus ascendants because being a 11th lord is transit in 8th house. You may have a knowledge, or you may try to learn some occult science, or you may try to learn astrology, and you may start some worship. There's a strong time when Jupiter gives a lot of blessings. Some unexpected expenditures may irritate you, but overall you will enjoy a lot of comforts and a lot of enjoy and happy moments with your family and friends. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. For Gemini ascendants, this whole week brings very good results from you. There is no doubt. Those native who are already investing our money in stock market, they may get a lot of gains during this period. This time you will get a lot of financial gains and your health will be fine. Your finance will be excellent. Your savings will rise, but you need to be careful while dealing with your family and friends. Don't use any harsh word. Don't use any negative words in front of your family, because relationship with your elders will be a matter of concern during this week. But Saturn direct in your 8th house, you will be in a good position compared to last 3-4 months. So try to be humble and polite in front of everyone, and this is a time when you will be rock, you will be sky high, and good fortune started smile for you. And now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants in 7th house, Saturn is going to direct for you in this week from 28th September to 4th October. You will get in touch with your old friend, and someone old relationship will active during this period, and source of earning will rise. You will earn a lot of money from unexpected source. Your savings will rise and your family will support you. Those native who are already married, they have a very good relationship with our family, and your spouse will support you a lot. You may start a new business with someone. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. This time will brings a lot of happiness for you. Health, wealth and prosperity you will get. This whole week brings a lot of positivity. You will enjoy good health, and relationship with your spouse and with your family will be excellent. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendant. Leo Ascendant, Saturn is direct in your 6th house, which will brings a lot of good fortune for you. The the way you are Saturn is check your patience from last 3-4 months. Now this is a time when you bounce back. You will be sky high. Cash flow will make you happy. Your savings will rise, and your all deals will be click after 29th of September, because Saturn is direct motion, is giving you lot of benefits during this period. You will be top and you will be sky high. You will enjoy lot of comforts during this period, and your enemies. Your enemies, they are zero in front of you. They are trying to let you down, but you are able to manage the things very nicely. So overall, this whole week brings a lot of positivity, gains, materialistic gains and family support for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant. Virgo Ascendant, you need to be careful about your health. For health, you are feeling very negative and you have a great headache. First 3 days of this week, from 18th September to 4th of October, first 3 days, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, you will be in a deep depression without any reason. You are thinking a lot about your future and about your present and future. So stop thinking too much. Saturn is direct in Capricorn sign, which will brings a lot of good fortune for you, and you will be bounced back. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Your source of earning will be rise, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. You will enjoy all types of good deeds during this period, because Saturn is a ruling planet for Virgo Ascendant. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant. Libra Ascendant, those native who are already investing our money in stock market or any type of speculation work, they may get very good results. You will get some unexpected earning beyond your expectations. Money will rise, your savings will grow, you will be enjoying a lot of comforts during this period. This is a time when your spouse will support you, when your family or friends will support you. You may get very good advice from your friend, and that advice will turn a major game changer for you in your professional life. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant. Scorpio Ascendant, Saturn is direct in your 3rd house from your ascendants. This is one of the power packed period for you. There's a lot of foreign journeys. There's a lot of travel here to there. This whole week brings a lot of positivity and biggest change for you. When you feel lot of good, and strong, you can say, relationship with your siblings, you will see, and you will also enjoy a lot of good confidence during this period. This period will bring a lot of happiness, long distance journeys, gains through long distance journey, or gains through foreign. And if you are willing to settle in foreign, this is the ultimate time for you. So Scorpio Ascendant, do your best. Jupiter is already in your 2nd house in Sagittarius sign, which will bring you a lot of gains. Your savings will rise, your cash flow will make you happy. You will get support from your family or friends. This is a time when you will be rock and you will be sky high. Now I am going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant. For Sagittarius Ascendant, Saturn is direct in your 2nd house. Your finances will be upgraded. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your family will support you. Your savings will rise. Your source of earning will be developed, and you will get money from multiple sources. This is a time when you see a big change in yourself. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will enjoy lot of family positive response for you. Your friends will support you. Your family will support you. Good fortune is ready to give you spotlight on you. So now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, you need to be careful about your relationship with your spouse. Saturn may goes to direct. It is good for you, but still aspecting is on your 7th house in direct motion. You need to be careful relationship with your spouse. This is strong chances for divorce. This is a strong chances you may involve in any litigation with your spouse. So please be humble, be calm. Saturn direct is a better position for last 3-4 months. You will see a big change. You will see a big change in your relationship, but everything is on your hand. If you talk polite and if you are humble in your relationship, you will definitely grow a lot, and your spouse may understand your feelings. You sit with your spouse and talk communication. You please talk communication and speak with each other related to your personal problem. It will be act like a game changer. And so also if I'm talking about your business and finance, this whole week brings a lot of cash flow for you. Your seniors will happy from your performance. You will enjoy lot of comforts. Your health will be fine. And if you wanna change your job, this is a very good period for you. You must try to switch off your job. You will get a fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, Saturn is direct in your 12th house. First of all, this is a good signal for you. This is a time when your savings will rise and you will go for some long distance journeys, but overall you need to be careful about your health, and this is a time when your family and friends will support you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, and this is a time when your all pending work will click, and you will enjoy all type of positive events in your life, and your friends and family will give you the biggest support. You may start some new venture with someone far away place from your place. This is a wonderful time for you when you will earn a lot of money, respect, name, fame. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. For Pisces Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of happiness and positivity for you. Good fortune started smile for you. Your savings will rise. Your family will support you. You will enjoy very delicious food, and you may go for some. You may plan some holiday with your near and dear or your family. This is a time when you buy a new vehicle, when you invest your money in real estate, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you. You will sign a new documents. You may contract. You may sign a new contract in your business, or you may get some order in your business that will make you happy. So cash flow will make you happy. Your savings will rise. You will get a lot of good orders from overseas. This is a time when you bounce back, and you will see a big change in your workplace. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.